Hi guys, I'm Laurie from AI Elephant.
Hi guys, I'm Leo.
Welcome back. Recently, I've been talking to a lot of product friends, and everyone seems to share the same underlying anxiety. Building generative AI products feels like operating a black box. You tweak one prompt to fix a bug, and suddenly, 5 other things break.
Oh, I know that feeling all too well. It is like building a sandcastle while the tide is coming in. You have no idea which wall is going to collapse first. Most of the time, we're just hitting refresh and praying, okay, this looks good enough for now. But can we really call that product development?
That is exactly what we're tackling today. Aman Khan from Arize AI recently argued that AI development must move away from vibe checks and toward eval-driven development. If you're still relying on your gut feeling to decide if your AI is ready, you're essentially handing your users a ticking time bomb. Aman calls the habit of relying on subjective judgment vibe checks. You know the drill. You change a prompt, test 3 cases yourself, think they look cool, and hit deploy. In the era of LLMs, this is incredibly dangerous.
Is it because AI is inherently non-deterministic? Like, the same prompt might give a brilliant answer today and complete nonsense tomorrow.
Exactly. Aman points out 3 fatal flaws of vibe checks. First, they don't scale. You can't manually check 1,000 outputs and stay consistent. Second, there is regression risk. You have no idea if fixing one edge case just broke the core experience for everyone else.
And everyone's vibes are different. I might think a response is witty while you think it is unprofessional. If a PM only builds for their own taste, the actual launch is going to be a train wreck.
That is why evals or evaluations need to become the unit tests of AI products. A PM's job isn't to write the perfect prompt. It is to define what good actually looks like and quantify it through a repeatable framework. So, how do we quantify good? Aman proposes a 3-layered evaluation hierarchy. The first layer and the foundation of everything is human in the loop.
Wait, back to manual labor? Isn't that just the slow, expensive way we were trying to avoid?
It is different. Here, the PM's job is to curate a golden dataset. These are 20 to 50 representative cases where the PM defines the perfect answer. Without this ground truth, your AI has no North Star to follow.
Okay, so we set the gold standard first. What about the other layers? We can't have humans reviewing every single API call.
Layer 2 is code-based or deterministic checks. If your AI needs to output JSON or must avoid certain prohibited words, use Python or regex. It is simple, fast, and binary.
But what about the squishy stuff? Like whether the tone is helpful or if the model is hallucinating facts?
That is the 3rd layer, LLM-as-a-Judge. You use a more powerful model like GPT-4o to grade the output of your production model. It understands context, but only if you give it a very specific rubric, just like you are training an intern. Evals shouldn't stop in the lab. They have to extend into the real world. Aman emphasizes that shipping is just the beginning. You need full tracing or observability.
Tracing, like tracking, thumbs up, or thumbs down from users.
That is just the tip of the iceberg. True tracing means seeing every step in the chain. When a user says, "This answer sucks," you need to know, was it the retrieval step that failed? Or did the model just fail to summarize the correct information?
It is like having a flight recorder for AI. Without the black box data, you're just guessing why the plane went off course.
Exactly. PMS should take those failure cases from production and feed them back into the golden dataset. It is a virtuous cycle. Find a failure, add it to the test set, optimize the prompt, and verify automatically. Finally, we have to talk about the psychological shift. In traditional software, a 1% error rate is a bug. In AI, 100% accuracy is often a mathematical impossibility.
So the goal isn't to eliminate every single error, but to keep the error rate within an acceptable, quantifiable threshold.
Precisely, that is the statistical mindset. If you are considering switching to a cheaper model, don't guess. Look at the eval scores. If your costs drop 80% and your quality score only drops 2%, that is a massive business win.
It sounds like the PM's new role is less writer and more performance manager for a digital employee.
Spot on. Don't spend your life chasing a magic spell prompt. Build the system that holds the AI accountable, and you'll build a product that actually works. To wrap up, first, kill the vibe checks. Second, build your golden dataset and 3-layer evals. Third, turn production failures into testing assets.
I hope this gives everyone who has been prompt hacking in the dark a bit of clarity. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next one.